This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for science classes. To truly grasp scientific concepts, you need to be an active participant. Don't just read, engage with the material. Ask questions, predict outcomes, and try to explain things in your own words. This active approach helps solidify understanding much more effectively than passive review. Make sure you're always testing your comprehension as you go. Effective note-taking is crucial. Instead of just copying, summarize key concepts in your own words during lectures. This process helps you understand and retain information better. Make it a habit to review your notes within 24 hours to reinforce your memory. Additionally, creating flashcards for important terms and formulas can make recall much easier during study sessions. Science is all about application, so work through every assigned practice problem thoroughly. Don't just look at the solution, try to solve it yourself first. A great way to check your understanding is to explain complex concepts aloud, as if you're teaching someone else. Consider forming study groups to discuss challenging topics and learn from different perspectives. This collaborative approach can be very beneficial. As your exam approaches, simulate test conditions to build confidence and manage your time effectively. Prioritize getting enough sleep and eating well. These are crucial for optimal brain function. Remember, a clear mind performs best. Also, if your car needs a refresh, check out the link in the description for Little Trees Black Ice and other great deals. Good luck with your studies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.